We are First Life, the Czech student team under the wings of the Faculty of Civil Engineering and the University Center of Energy Efficient Buildings CTU in Prague. We decided to take up the challenge and take part in Solar Decathlon Europe 21-22. We are going to build our house demonstration unit and compete with the other 17 from Europe and Asia this summer in Wuppertal, Germany. But until then, let us show you what we are all about.
Currently, the living standard of most dormitories is very low. We know it, we live there. The First Life project aims at creating an innovative renovation and addition of stories to the student dormitory for students, young families and seniors. And it also aims at creating active and attractive neighborhood. As a site for our building, an existing dormitory complex na Větrníku has been chosen. But the idea is to use modular principles applicable when renovating other similar buildings. First Life is not only one building.
The project doesn't cover only the whole new living space, but also improves the quality and disposition of current rooms, sanitary facilities, and indoor common spaces for students. Our design is suitable for more than one age group. The accommodation can be also used for seniors or starting flats for students that graduated from the university.
In the reconstruction, we wanted to offer multiple modular choices of disposition, which makes our design more affordable and usable. By adding residential balconies, we extend living space. Balconies are shaded by climbing greenery, such as hop plants. The roof itself should provide a chance to meet and greet within the community.
Most of the structure are made of wood. Only the outside additions, such as staircase or the ramp, are made of steel. Both materials were chosen to be the most efficient for the particular case.
Instead of one big beam, we have a set of frames which work together.
The energy we use comes from renewable sources. Water heating is provided by a heat pump, which also supplies heat to the underfloor heating system. The energy is stored in two separate thermal storage tanks. Wastewater is treated in a vertical root filter on the facade and then reused. To ensure indoor air quality, we use ventilation with heat recovery.
Lamella photovoltaic system on a roof pergola generates electricity which is stored in batteries and water thermal storage tanks. Although technology is controlled by a central system that is able to communicate with the electricity distribution network. It reacts by changing its own consumption or supplying energy to the distribution network.
A big part of our design is tailored furniture, movable and multi-purpose. In the community room there are more combinations of using chair boxes and kitchen island. Utilize it as a kitchen unit, dining table and also a space for home cinema. In the student bedroom we designed variable furniture, like for example folding table and also a bed which can be double size.
All rooms in the demonstration unit use as much daylight as possible during the day. As a prevention of overheating, we designed roof overhang and external blinds outdoors. As an additional light source, we designed biodynamic lighting.
Building information modeling is currently integral part of every modern building design. On the First Life project, models were used from the first sketch. Models contain structural, architectural and MEP parts, and they were used for daylight, thermal, environmental and solar analysis.
The project focused on economical, social and environmental aspects. These three pillars of sustainability are balanced through the whole project. For example, CO2 emissions are calculated thanks to life cycle assessment. Green roofs and insect hotel are helping in minimizing the heat island effect and at the same time enhance biodiversity on site. Housing affordability and energy metering are good points for economic sustainability that is also supported by the optimization of products' durability and their reuse. Retrofitting of an existing dormitory allows increasing the social sustainability with the flexible areas and also accessible exterior spaces not only for student and building users but also for local inhabitants.
And that was just a sneak peek. The project is not just a building, it became our lifestyle, our first lifestyle. See you in Wuppertal.